Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today I got the nutty idea about making a shaffle with an avocado. Now, I have an avocado that's been sitting on the counter for a few days now. It's very, very ripe, and I want to use it up so I don't throw it away. So what I'm going to do with the avocado, I'm going to, split it in half, take the seed out, take the insides out, and put it on this small little Ninja mini blender that I have. And I'm going to blend that really well. I'm going to put one egg inside of it, and I'm going to put a little bit of cheese in it. Not sure if I'm going to use mozzarella cheese or the cheddar cheese that I have. But anyway, either one, whatever one we use it, this one we're going to go with. And we're going to mix it up really well. Put a little bit of salt, pepper to taste, and a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. And then I'm going to get the that going into the mini dash. And and then we'll see, if it could be something new or it could be an epic failure. I don't know, but I'm just experimenting, because I'm just looking for a healthy, continue on with the healthy alternatives. And I don't know, I'm all of a sudden falling in love with avocado. They're so healthy for you. It's a great source of protein. When I go back to the grocery store this coming weekend, I'm going to pick up probably about a bag of them. And when I want to start making some avocado boats and stuff like that and see where it goes. But without further ado, let's go right into the recipe and just follow me along, and we'll come back and talk about it and have a sandwich together with it. I don't know what I'm going to have on it, but maybe I'll just have it plain and just try and see whether or not I like it or not. But it could be something like some new type of shuffle that we might have, or it could be an epic failure. We don't know, but I know there are some videos with Chaffles with avocados, but I don't see too many. So we'll see what happens with this one. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll come back and talk about it when we're done. Just follow me along with how I do it. And if you don't have a processor like I have, you can just smash it up with a fork. It'll all work. Have a great day, guys. Okay, hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and let's try this again. So, if you hear a lot of noise in the background or from outside, I live in an apartment and there's nothing I can do about it when I want to film. But that's the harsh reality about living in an apartment. So anyways, as an experiment today we made some avocado Chaffles or Chaffles. So what we did was we took one ripe avocado, and it had a little brown inside of it, but we got rid of that and we used the good part of it. Put it in a small Ninja blender bullet that I have. Took one egg and took a little salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, everything all to taste. And we used about a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Blended it really well. Got the mini dash heated up. Sprayed the sides of both avocado spray. And then I put a little mixture on top. I closed the lid. After it was ready, I tried to pull it off, and it wouldn't quite pull off. And it looked like it was breaking apart, so then I closed the lid and I left it there for another minute or another half a minute or so. And then when I popped it off, this was the first one that I did right here. Okay, as you can see, it's the Chaffle, came out really nice. I don't know how it's going to taste. And then on the second one, I didn't spray it, but with the second one, what I did was I put some more cheese on the top and cheese on the bottom, even though it had cheese in it. And I put a good amount of the avocado, put it down on the grill to get it going. And after I closed the lid, and I tried to pull it off of there, you know, when the light went out and it started pulling apart, so I closed the lid and I let it go for another minute. So the rule of thumb is if you're going to do the avocado, this particular recipe, and we'll experiment again with it, I would recommend leaving it on, even though light might go out, leave it on for another minute or two just to let it all cook in. But this is that's the result of it. So these are, the first one's a lot more crunchier, and this one feels more like a bready texture. And I don't know how they're going to taste, but they're going to have something here. I don't really know. That's the avocado Chaffle. Let's give it a taste test. I don't even really taste the avocado, but it tastes good. I mean, I like it. I can definitely taste the garlic powder and onion powder. It's good. Oh, that's what the inside of it looks like. You can see the avocado. So it's definitely another way for you to get more avocado into you for the protein. And yeah, let me know if you ever tried it before. Have you ever made an avocado Chaffle before? Like I said, this is a new one on me. But I love it. And so I'm going to start making more and more of those. Now what I want to also do is, since I'm getting really good taste now of doing avocado, and that's really great for low carb weight loss. That doesn't have to be keto. I'm going to make some avocado boats with some eggs and some tuna and all kinds of different things I got planned for just, avocado, to get more avocado in me. But if you're going to get an avocado, and if it's not ripe, ripening it on your countertop for a couple of days. Might even ripen better if you put it in a brown paper bag. But use it up right away, because it gets brown on the inside. And that's probably okay to eat the way it is, but if it gets too brown and too ripe, you'll start getting little fruit flies, and you don't want that. But yeah, and food's too expensive to be throwing it out. But yeah, give me a taste test if you ever make this, and give me your answer me the question of the day. Are you a fan of avocado? I never used to be before I went on my weight loss journey. I've been doing carnivore for the last 3 days, and I'm going to have an update later on in the week how we did on carnivore. So I'm doing a very, very strict carnivore for the last 3 days, and today's the final day of it. So I'm just looking to wait for kind of like breaking off the carnivore and going back to ketovore. So that's what we got going on for today, guys. But remember, you guys have an amazing day. Talk to you later. Don't forget, we might be doing a live update. I'm not sure yet, but have a great day, guys.